Nowadays, I'm watching a series called Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story. And I left mesmerizing watching this series. What a story, what a cinematography, what a picturization. The work that this director Hansal Mehta did, it's just on top. Every actor acted so well in this movie, in this series, that it left me mesmerizing. I just became fan of Pratik Gandhi after watching Scam 1992, and I also became the fan of Harshad Mehta. There are so many things that we can learn from Harshad Mehta's story. At business point of view, we can learn so many things from this story. I am not saying that everything that he did in his journey of stock market was right, but I am saying if you are interested in stock market and if you are not interested in stock market, then also everybody should watch this series once. There are so many illegal things that he did in his journey of being at bottom to top in stock market. I am not saying that we should adapt all these things, but we can adapt some things from this series. Some good strategy, some good planning. We can learn so many things about business, we can learn so many things about stock. So that was the story part. Now let's talk about the director who has directed this series. So the director Hansal Mehta also directed the movies like Aligarh, Simran, City Lights, and the upcoming movie Chalan. In most of his movies, there are very talented actors like Rajkumar Rao, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Manoj Bajpayee, and here at Scam 1992, Pratik Gandhi. So I have told you that I have become huge fan of the directors, of the actors of this series after watching this series. And I am saying this again and again because I really like this series the most. I think that from the last 4 to 5 years, internet become so huge that it allows the talented actors and directors to showcase their talent to the masses from the internet. And the OTT platform gives that opportunity to these directors and actors. And Scam 1992 has become the most successful project of director Hansal Mehta. And the IMDb rate of this series is 9.6 out of 10. It is breaking all the records. The music of this series is just amazing. These days, everywhere this music is going on. So to sum up, every single person who has worked in this series done amazing job. Whether it is director, whether it is actors, whether it is music directors, whether it is singers, and the storyline is also amazing. The script writing is to the point, and the story of this series itself is so fascinating. Everybody wants to know more about Harshad Mehta after watching this series. At one point of time in his era, 1980 to 1992, he was the hero of the stock market. But one of his interview, he denied that he don't want to become a hero. Let me be who I am and I am proud of who I am. These are the words of the हर्षद मेहता. सो जिसके बारे में ये स्टोरी है, वो कैरेक्टर, वो पर्सनालिटी ही इतनी फैसिनेटिंग है कि एवरीबडी वांट्स टू नो मोर अबाउट हर्षद मेहता एंड व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट. I love the last song of this series. It is actually a bhajan, which is like mat kar maya ko ahankar, mat kar kaya ko abhiman, kaya gar se kaji. So it is something like that, and I love this music. So being Gujarati, I feel so proud because the story of this series is of Gujarati. The director of this story is Gujarati. The lead actor of this story is Gujarati. So I feel so proud being Gujarati. So if you like this video, please do subscribe. It will motivate me to make more videos like this. At last, I just want to share that મને આ સિરીઝ જોઈને મજા પડી ગઈ.